Hello students, you work hard, attending classes, taking notes, and studying for hours, yet you often forget much of what you learn within days. This isn't your fault, it's how our brains work. Over a century ago, Hermann Ebbinghaus discovered the forgetting curve, showing we can forget up to 75% of new information in just 1 week. That's why cramming rarely leads to lasting knowledge. True learning means understanding concepts deeply and remembering them long-term. To beat the forgetting curve, we need to review information at the right times and in different ways. Traditionally, this meant rereading notes or making flashcards by hand, time-consuming and tedious. But now, technology offers a better way. Artificial intelligence, or AI, gives us tools that work with your brain to help you remember more, faster. Imagine a personal tutor that organizes your notes, creates study materials, and quizzes you at just the right moments. This isn't science fiction, it's reality. AI-powered study tools are now accessible to every student. They help you review smarter, not harder. With these tools you can finally overcome the frustration of forgetting and build lasting knowledge. The future of learning is here, and it's designed for you. Let's see how you can use these tools to transform your study routine. Get ready to take control of your learning journey. How do we flatten the forgetting curve? With smart, consistent review, and AI tools as your study partners, Microsoft Copilot, built into the tools you already use, can instantly clean up messy notes, highlight main ideas, and organize information for you. No more hours spent rewriting, just clear, structured notes ready for review. Copilot can pull out key vocabulary, formulas, or main points from any lesson. These AI tools are school-approved, safe, and designed to help you learn, not cheat. They make your study process efficient and personalized. With AI, you focus on understanding and remembering, not just organizing. Using these tools means you're taking charge of your learning. You're using the best technology to build real, lasting knowledge. Let's see how this works in practice. Imagine you just finished a biology lecture and your notes are a mess. Paste them into Copilot, ask for a summary and organization, and get clean, clear notes in seconds. Next, copy that summary into Quizlet. Quizlet's AI creates flashcards and practice questions automatically, identifying key terms and definitions. You can quiz yourself using spaced repetition, focusing on what you need most. What once took hours, rewriting notes, making flashcards, now takes minutes. Copilot acts as your editor. Quizlet becomes your tutor. You can even ask for different question types to match your upcoming tests. This workflow turns you into an active creator of your own learning path. You save time, study smarter, and remember more. That's the power of AI in your study routine. Every student learns differently: visual, auditory, or kinesthetic. AI tools adapt to your style. Visual learners can use Copilot to create tables or diagrams. Auditory learners can turn notes into audio with tools like ElevenLabs or Play T, listening on the go. Kinesthetic learners can use Quizlet for interactive quizzes. Grammarly Go and Notion AI help you write, brainstorm, and organize ideas. Combine these tools to build a study system that fits you. Mix and match turn summaries into audio, quizzes, or visual charts. You're not just studying, you're discovering how you learn best. These skills will help you in school, college, and beyond. Explore, experiment, and make learning your own. Students using AI tools are seeing real results: less study time, better memory, and higher confidence. AI helps you study efficiently, freeing up time for rest, hobbies, and friends. These tools reduce stress and make learning more enjoyable. They're built into trusted, school-approved platforms like Microsoft Office and Quizlet. Using them isn't cheating, it's smart, proactive learning. Your teachers want you to succeed, and these tools help you do just that. The future of learning is personalized and powerful. Try these tools, find what works for you, and take charge of your education. Download our free template to get started with Copilot prompts. Study smarter, achieve more, and embrace your new learning partners.